English Motivational Story. How to Achieve Your Goals. Chapter 1. The Dream. Long ago in a small town lived a boy named Arjun. He was not rich, nor the most talented in his class, but he had one thing that made him different: he dreamed big. Arjun wanted to become a teacher who would inspire students and help them believe in themselves. Every night, he looked at the stars and thought, "One day, I will achieve my goal." But how? He did not know the exact path, yet the dream was alive in his heart. That dream became the first step. Lesson. Every goal starts with a clear dream. Chapter 2. The First Step. One morning, his grandfather said, "Arjun, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small." So, Arjun began by teaching a younger child from the neighborhood for free. At first, it was not easy. The child didn't understand quickly, and Arjun doubted himself. But slowly, he improved his way of explaining. That first step gave him confidence. Lesson. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Take the first small step. Chapter 3. The Road of Hard Work. As Arjun grew older, he realized that dreams need effort. He studied hard, sometimes under a dim lantern when electricity failed. His friends went out to play, but he sat with his books. Many nights, he felt tired and thought, "Maybe I cannot do this." But then he remembered his goal. He told himself, "Hard work is the price of success. If I stop, my dream will die." He pushed forward, little by little. His marks improved, his confidence grew. Lesson. Hard work is not easy, but it is the road that takes you to your goal. Chapter 4. Facing Failures. Arjun appeared for a scholarship exam. He had prepared well, but he failed. Tears filled his eyes. He thought of giving up. Then his mother said, "Failure is not the end, it is a teacher. Learn from it and try again." Arjun analyzed his mistakes and prepared better. The next year, he passed with good marks. This taught him that failures are not walls, but stepping stones. Lesson. Failures are not your enemy. They are guides that show you where to improve. Chapter 5. The Power of Discipline. Arjun realized that motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. So, he made a timetable. He woke up early, studied at fixed hours, and spent time teaching others. At first, discipline felt like a cage. But soon, it became his habit. Slowly, he saw progress. His dream was no longer just a dream, it was turning into reality. Lesson. Discipline is stronger than motivation. Discipline makes success possible. Chapter 6. Support and Guidance. No one achieves a goal alone. Arjun found mentors, teachers who encouraged him. They guided him, gave feedback, and pushed him to do better. His friends sometimes mocked him, saying, "Why work so hard?" But his mentors reminded him of the bigger picture. Arjun learned to surround himself with people who lifted him up, not those who pulled him down. Lesson. Good guidance and supportive people make your journey easier. Chapter 7. The Sacrifice. Every goal demands a price. Arjun had to sacrifice late-night movies, long games, and even some friendships that distracted him. It was painful, but he reminded himself, temporary sacrifice for permanent success. The sacrifices gave him more time and focus. He understood that one cannot hold everything, sometimes, you must let go to move forward. Lesson: to gain something valuable, you must be ready to sacrifice something less valuable. Chapter 8: The Breakthrough. Years passed. Arjun finally got an opportunity to apply for a teaching position. On the interview day, he was nervous but remembered all the struggles, failures, and sacrifices that brought him there. He spoke with confidence, explained his passion, and impressed the panel. Days later, a letter arrived. He was selected as a teacher. At that moment, Arjun's heart filled with joy. His dream had come true. He realized that the real success was not only becoming a teacher, but also the journey that shaped him. Lesson: success is not just reaching the goal, but also becoming stronger, wiser, and better on the way. Chapter 9: Giving Back. Arjun never forgot his struggles. He became a teacher who inspired students. He told them, "If I can achieve my dream, so can you." All it takes is clarity, hard work, discipline, and patience. Many students who once doubted themselves began to believe in their abilities. Arjun's life became a light for others. Lesson: the highest success is not only achieving your goal, but also helping others achieve theirs. Chapter 10: The Real Secret of Achieving Goals. Looking back, Arjun realized a secret formula for achieving goals. Dream clearly, know what you want. Start small, don't wait, begin today. Work hard, effort is the fuel of success. Learn from failure, mistakes are teachers. Stay disciplined, routine builds strength. Find support, guidance makes the road easier. Sacrifice distractions, focus on what matters. Never give up, patience turns dreams into reality. Share your success, inspire others. This simple formula changed Arjun's life, and it can change anyone's. Final lesson: goals are not achieved by luck, they are achieved by vision, effort, and persistence. The story of Arjun shows that success is not a one-day event but a journey. Anyone, rich or poor, talented or average, can achieve goals if they follow the path of dreaming, working, failing, learning, and never giving up. In the end, success belongs to those who believe in their dream and keep walking until they reach it. Thank you, my dear friend, for your right mindset. And don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you all.